Cute candy beats.
No. Well, bro, don't you put this shit online.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to be in the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Andy's or Austin, or you can just call me Austin. Honestly, from now on, you guys can just call me Austin. I don't know how many more games I'm gonna be playing for you guys, to be honest. I do still play COD occasionally, but I don't really record it or stream it anymore. It's no fun anymore. Like, honestly, it's just really not. It's ass cheeks. 2023, pretty much. You will see a lot of fucking IRL content from me. I got a lot of things planned for this year, and I just cannot wait. I can't wait. What you guys are seeing in the background right here is just me. I'm just cruising with some buddies. My camera, for some reason, was tweaking. I do gotta tweak some settings with it, get it just right, get my settings right, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we was just cruising. I think it was like a little Sunday drive or whatever, you know. We was just creeping around. You see, I'm about out of gas, to be honest, too. You know, it's been a couple weeks since I talked to you guys last. You guys, I think you seen the 120 bomb on shit. Yeah, that was the last thing. I think that was like the last time I played for more than an hour, to be honest. Like, the game, Call of Duty, it's not it. Like, I hope if they come out with something for Season 2, even though I'm not gonna buy the Battle Pass or anything. Like, I went and bought the Vault Edition, but I will not be buying the Battle Pass for this, by no means, for Season 2. Like, I'm not gonna waste the money. Obviously, you're gonna see a lot of my car, for sure, which, here, if you haven't seen that, I'll toss a picture of it on screen right now. But yeah, that's it. That's the beauty. But, it's a 2011 2SS Camaro. It is in very, very good condition. Right now I have long tube headers on it, which you guys, I'll put a video, the link description. Fuck, I cannot speak right now. I'll put the link down in the description for the video where I did the long tubes. It actually still had the mufflers on it at the time. Now it no longer has the mufflers on it. It is actually extremely loud. It is actually it's kind of annoying how loud it is, to be honest. I got some mufflers coming, little something coming, something on my sleeve, you know. I'm gonna change it up and go quads. I think that'd look clean as fuck on the back of my car. You guys are gonna see a shitload of track days. You guys are gonna see, I'll probably end up getting another drone or something, you know, just to show you guys that. I think that I enjoyed the drone videos. I don't know, y'all, actually, I think you guys enjoyed the drone videos as well. You blew that shit up, so that's for you guys that I'll show you guys in the next one. I do got to get something new for it before I can put it on the car. But it is definitely, I put them on the car already, and they look damn good. I'll just say that. But I gotta get something for them, and they'll be ready to rock. And you guys will definitely see. I'm hoping that they will be ready by the next video, but who knows? Fuck, dude. I honestly, I don't even really know what else to say. Like, yeah, if you're still in my Discord, I'm gonna a Discord like chat for car people. So if you are still in my Discord, or if you want to join the Discord, I am still active in that. I do bounce in the voice chat from time to time and talk to people, but I'm not always in it anymore. There is video if you still game. It's open for gaming. So if you want to game, my boys, I got a lot of guys in there. They play it up all the time. Just get in there, shoot somebody a message. It's a boosted channel. We got levels, we got all kind of shit in there. So get in there, chat it up with some guys, you know. We got a promote your stuff, you know. What you guys are gonna see, you know, you're gonna see a lot of IRL content from me. Like you're gonna see my beautiful face from now on, which you've seen in a lot of stream highlights, but I'm talking about actual IRL content, not just me playing fucking video games. Because